Hello, in this video I'm going to show how to update the version of an asset pack in the marketplace. For this demo I'm going to use the military weapons silver asset pack, and you can see that the supported versions are 4.4 to 4.21, and I'm going to convert it to 4.0 to 4.3. You need to create a project that's one of the supported versions of your asset pack. In this case, version 4.4 to version 4.21. I created a third-person template in version 4.21. It doesn't have to be the third-person template. It can be any template you want. And it doesn't matter whether it's add to project or create project. If it's create project, then you would just create the project. If it's add to project, you'd have to add this to the project. I'm not going to add this now because it takes too long on camera. In Windows File Explorer, you go to the project folder, in this case Documents, Unreal Projects, Military Weapons Silver. Then right click on the U project file and select Switch Unreal Engine version. And then in this case I'm going to change it to 4.24 and select OK. After you switch the version from Windows File Explorer, you'll see that in the launcher the version hasn't changed. That's because you have to close the launcher, and to do that you can't just close it here. You also have to go to the system tray and right click on the Unreal Engine icon and select Exit. Now after you restarted your launcher, you'll see that the version has changed to 4.24, so you successfully updated the version of your asset pack.